Hey, how we doing, fly fishing friends? It is time to whip water tomorrow. Not today. We've got a lot of bad smoke outside from the Canadian forest fires, and the air quality sucks a lot. And they say if you're out for more than an hour, it's like smoking a pack of cigarettes. Can't imagine how that would make your lungs feel, but I'm not going fishing tonight. Plus, it's too hot. I guess if you catch a fish, it'll probably kill it anyway, even if you do have a good release. But tomorrow, calling for cooler weather, thunderstorms, and I think that that's probably going to be our window. So I'm hoping to go in the evening and maybe try throwing a few mice out there and see if we can drag up some really big boys from the bottom. So that's the plan. I hope that we can do it. Got a little bit of work to do in the morning, and then we'll go hit the river. So we'll see you tomorrow. How about it? Can you believe it? It's tomorrow already, and it is already later than I wanted to get out. It's about 4:50 in the afternoon. My gosh, why the hell do I work? So I can go fishing. In any event, I'm going to sort my life out here. A few minutes. I'm hungry. I'm probably going to get some yucky McDonald's crap, throw it down my mouth and gut, and hopefully that'll satisfy me enough to last me into the evening, where I'm going to be fishing for some big fish this afternoon as it starts to get dark. Pretty excited about that. Oh yeah, and it's going to thunderstorm, so I'll be wet while I'm doing it, but that's okay with me.
Hello, how may I help you today?
Yeah, can I please have 2 double cheeseburgers and a large fry? Nope. All right, here we go. And we got the fries, and we got the burgers, and it's a 99-cent sack heart attack, or whatever they call it. But anyway, let's eat some of that stuff. Well, it was certainly a rainy and nasty fishing night, but hey, it was great. I caught like 5 or 6, but that was during the rain, and I didn't want to get my camera out and get wet. So anyhow, ending the night here, I was able to lay into one. There we go. I guess I'll go ahead and show him off. He's just a little one, you know, but little ones are great also. Let's see if I can flip this around. There we go. So, beautiful spring-fed creek, and this guy gave me a real nice run. Caught him on a woolly booger. Oh, get back here, buddy. Oh, he's out of here. Get on out of here. Nice. In any event, that was really fun. Caught him on the strip, and that's even more fun. Whenever you're running streamers and they latch on whenever you're pulling really hard, it's just such an exciting feeling and probably my favorite way to catch fish.